Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Reviews, your go-to channel for everything powerful, rugged, and road-ready. Today we're taking a deep dive into something massive, muscular, and made for serious lifting. The 2025 Tadano Mantis 1000 straight out of the USA. Now, for those who work in construction, energy, or heavy industrial sectors, the name Tadano already commands respect. And the Mantis line, that's where innovation meets brute strength. The 1000 model is a 50-ton telescopic boom crawler crane, and let me tell you, it's not here to mess around. Manufactured in the United States, the 2025 Mantis 1000 combines American engineering with Tadano's global reliability. This beast runs on a powerful Cummins QSB 627 Tier 4 final diesel engine, pumping out around 215 horsepower. It's designed to offer the kind of torque and control needed for the most demanding job sites, whether you're lifting massive pipes in a refinery or steel beams on a bridge. What makes the Mantis 1000 truly stand out is its full-power telescopic boom. You're looking at a 4-section, 111-foot boom that extends hydraulically and maintains high lifting capacity at every length. Add the 25 to 43-foot bifold jib, and you've got extended reach and flexibility that puts this crane in a class of its own. And yes, it can operate with the boom at steep angles, perfect for tight urban jobs or uneven terrain. Speaking of terrain, the crawler tracks on the Mantis 1000 are designed for maximum stability and traction. Whether you're moving across mud, gravel, or a construction site that's half finished, this crane keeps going. Thanks to its low ground pressure and ability to pick and carry loads at up to 50% of its capacity, it's an absolute workhorse. You don't need outriggers, and that saves time and space, both of which are precious on job sites. Let's talk about the operator experience. The cab is all about comfort and control. It's climate-controlled, features adjustable air suspension, seating, and a 7-inch full-color touchscreen for system monitoring. Controls are intuitive, and visibility is excellent thanks to the wide windows and rear-view camera. Safety? Tadano didn't cut any corners. You've got load moment indicators, anti-2-block systems, and customizable working area limitations, all integrated to protect both operator and equipment. Maintenance is another area where the Mantis 1000 shines. The design allows for ground-level access to all major service points. The onboard diagnostic system helps with real-time data tracking, which means fewer surprises and less downtime. That's a huge bonus in industries where time is money. And of course, because this is a 2025 model, it's compliant with the latest environmental and emission standards in the US, a nod to sustainability without sacrificing performance. In short, the 2025 Tadano Mantis 1000 is built to conquer America's toughest job sites. It's strong, smart, and seriously capable. If you're a contractor looking for reliability, flexibility, and unmatched lifting power, this machine checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching this episode of Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our breakdowns of the world's most powerful machines. Got questions or want us to review another heavy-duty monster? Drop it in the comments below. See you next video.